see the way you look at me, like there's something you don't wanna see. I feel it every time you close, but you keep pushing me away. I don't wanna play with your heart, I don't wanna promise what I can't give. I'm standing here with open arms, just tell me if you want me here. Take my hand, don't be afraid, you don't have to run away. I've been waiting for this moment. Maybe love can find its way. If you let me love you, I'll give you all of me. If you let me hold you, I'll be where you need me. If you let me love you, I'll never make you wonder. Baby, you and I could be something beautiful. Could be us, could be us. Baby, maybe this could be us. Could be us, could be us. Just you and me, that's enough. I know you've been hurt before, and I know you're scared to try again, but I don't need your perfect heart, I just need you to let me in. We can take it slow tonight, no pressure, no promises to break. Just give me one little chance and I'll show you what real love takes. Come closer, don't be afraid, let your heart forget the pain. I've been looking for somebody, and somehow I found you. If you let me love you, I'll give you all of me. Oh, if you let me hold you, I'll be where you need me. If you let me love you, I'll never make you wonder. Baby, you and I could be something beautiful. Come closer, baby, don't say a word. Let the music speak, let your heart be heard. Slow dance with me under the midnight sky. Stay here beside me, don't let this moment die. I don't wanna rush your heart, I don't wanna change who you are. I just wanna be the one who loves you through it all. And if tomorrow feels uncertain, I'll still be right here. You don't have to have the answers, just tell me you want me near. If you let me love you, I'll give you all of me. Oh, if you let me hold you, I'll be where you need me. If you let me love you, I love you honestly. Maybe you and I were always meant to be. Maybe this could be us, maybe this is where it starts. If you let me love you, I'll give you my heart. Yeah. Just let me love